Hello everyone, this is Sherwin here from macOS, and today I've got a very quick video. Instead of giving you an app review like I'd usually do on a Friday, I'm just going to be giving you a quick tip, which is how to use Night Shift in macOS. Now, I'm doing this because a recent update has come out, macOS Sierra 10.12.4, and the main user feature that is there in this update is Night Shift. So you're probably used to Night Shift on your iOS devices, whether it's your iPhone, your iPad, your iPod Touch. And what it effectively does is strips away blue lights from the screen to make it easier for you to work, sort of in the evenings. And having this reduction in blue light has proven to help improve sleep patterns. So it's a feature which has been around on iOS and it's now come to the Mac, and I'm going to show you how you can use it and customize the options for it. So firstly, let's go to the options in System Preferences. So if I open System Preferences and I go to it says Displays. Once I'm in Displays, you'll see there's a new tab here which says Night Shift. If I click on this, it will give me all my Night Shift options. So I've got the when it comes on, so I can have a custom time where I want it to come on. I can have it off, so Night Shift is just completely off, or you can have it as I have sunset to sunrise. Your Mac knows based on your location when sunset is and when sunrise is, and it will turn it off and on accordingly, so you don't have to do anything, it will automatically do it. You can have a manual toggle here, so if you want to turn it on and off you can. And just so you know, I don't think you'll be able to see it changing, as I'm clicking, because the screen recording software doesn't actually capture it because it's to do with the light being emitted, not what's actually on the screen. There should have been a clip at the beginning, just sort of showing you the feature in action, but you won't actually see it at the moment. You can choose the temperature, so again, you won't be able to see this, but if I drag it towards this end of the slider, it goes back to basically no blue light being removed at all, so it's as if it was off, and I can adjust how intense I want the effect to be. I just tend to have it on the full effect. Obviously, if you're working with stuff like photos, so photo editing, which may require you to be able to see details very carefully, then perhaps you might want to turn this feature off completely, or maybe reducing the effect slightly may be enough for you to get the precision that you need. But that's something to take into account. So that's with the preferences. Obviously you can turn it on and off manually here. However, finally I'm just going to show you how you can access it quickly. There's the most likely way you're going to access it. So if you go to the notification center, you can see mine's already there. For you it might be like this. It may just be like that, so everything's hidden. What you're going to have to do is you're just going to scroll all the way to the top, keep scrolling, and it will come down. Just like with Do Not Disturb. So on top of Do Not Disturb, you've now got Night Shift. I've got it enabled, obviously I can turn it off. You won't see a difference, as I said, on the video, but it's just turned off, and I can turn it back on whenever I want to. So this is useful if you want to override the setting where it will automatically come on. And you can see here it says it will be enabled until sunrise, but if perhaps I'm doing something which requires accurate colour, I can turn it off. Once I've finished, put it back. It'll revert to its usual sort of turning on and off whenever it has to. But that's it for this video, quite simple. Just something I thought I'd let you know how to use, because obviously we had it on iOS, but using it on the Mac is slightly different because it's not. Obviously you have a control center on the Mac like you do on iOS. So I thought I'd just let you know, and it's come out in a recent update. So if you haven't updated, go to the Mac App Store, go to your Apple logo and go to App Store and run your updates. Make sure you're running macOS 10.12.4, and then you should be able to use Night Shift. If you've got any questions or comments on anything in this video or any other Apple general Apple tech advice, then do let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section or get in contact with me using the details in the description of the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe by hitting the logo in the middle of your screen, and also do consider checking out the videos next to the logo. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.